Crispy skinned jacket potatoes, also known as baked potatoes. The first step for this method is to heat the oven to 400 degrees. Next, scrub your potatoes, and then using the tip of a sharp paring knife, cut a small T or cross in the top of each potato. You want to go about a 1/4 inch deep, maybe an inch long, but keep it small. As you can see, the cross is right there in the very top. You want it facing up when you place the potatoes directly on the oven rack. If you're worried about drips, place a sheet on the rack below them. Bake the potatoes for 1.5 to 2 hours at 400 degrees. And then in the last 10 minutes of cooking, pull the rack out and enlarge the cross or the T that you cut into the top of each potato. You want to go a little deeper, but not too much wider this time. Bake the potatoes for 10 minutes more. And then serve immediately with all of your favorite toppings. Hear how crackly crisp that skin is? You do want to serve these immediately because if they sit for a while, if you try to keep them warm, the skin will soften and you will lose that beautiful crackly crisp skin. We topped ours with butter, salt and pepper, and chives. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more videos and recipes, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.